Alright, we're good, we're good. Original Cheese Monkey with that lovely host as well. Oh my god. Okay. And he's another member of the Tide Pool as well. Thank you so much for that host. What the fuck? No, no, no! Okay, I'm just gonna pause it. But thank you so much for that host. He's another member of the, I think, the Tide Pool. I'm in 2 stream groups, so I'm trying to balance between knowing which ones. We Are Legend and the Tide Pool. Definitely, guys, you definitely check out both of them. See, you know, I gotta make a command for both of them actually, like just a regular standardized command, so you guys can see both of the people. We Are Legend is led by Guy Game, is his stream group, and then Tide Pool is led by Riptide Pow. So those are the 2 differences between those 2. So definitely check it out. Check out Original Cheese Monkey, original _Chez, like CHEEZ. Hopefully he actually comes in. I always figure that it's easier when you see the person in chat. You can like talk to them and get to know them. But hopefully he stops in so you guys can actually see him and talk to him. Oh god. I always feel like that's 10 times better. But thank you so much for that host, man.
A ladder. How do these things work again? Oh, I remember. Just press up or down.
Look at that. Double checking, trying not to miss anything good. Then I go for the story. What game are you guys talking about? I actually like Metroid games. I don't remember if I beat Metroid though. There we go, gotta get those. Oh, I got a rocket launcher?
Jackpot!
Sweet. What in the actual? Oh god. Okay, that was rude. Alright, we got 50 more to get. Gotta make sure we're not missing anything. Wait, I see this. I saw it. How the hell? How the hell am I supposed to get that? There we go. Okay, so it's just me messing up. Alright, cool. Alright, good. We're really close. Really close. Damn it. Grip with magic. There we go. All right. Anything over here? What? There is. There is. You're trying to catch me sleeping. I don't sleep though. I don't sleep. I don't sleep, shit. Pretty sure I can get that. Gotta jump really late. There we go. Flag. Alright, 10 more. Get out my face.
It is I, Dr. Nefarious.
You're Seems different about you. Wait, don't tell me. You've changed your hair.
Ow! Guy's cheating.
I will finish you myself.
Give me the juice. Wait, that was the end of it? Oh no, Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, he's like Wolverine. All that noise. Uh-oh, my completionist. Must get 100. Must get 100. Fuck. I thought I had more time. What up, Federico? I was hoping that I was gonna get another 10 there, but no.
Quark! Get you for this.
Sorry, what's that, Stumpy?
This isn't over, Quark. I swear, I will return someday to destroy you and bring Metropolis to its knees.
Uh-huh. Just a word of advice, Nefarious. Quit while you're ahead.
And so Quark believed that the threat posed to the galaxy had been ended forever. But... seems the script is missing a few pages.
Thanks, Professor. I'll take it from here. And so ends the greatest tale of courage and heroism ever told. The true story of Captain Quark's triumph over the nefarious supervillain known as, well, Dr. Nefarious.
You're right.
Aren't you gonna unlock Quark's secret costumes? Here, I'll use the cheat codes. Let's see. Up, up, down, down, left, right, circle, square, square. Even a tutu!
Metropolis! That's where Nefarious is gonna strike first.
Are you sure?
It makes perfect sense. Nefarious tried to destroy Metropolis years ago, but Quark stopped him. Nefarious swore he'd come back and finish the job someday. Now that he has a secret weapon, he's ready to make his move.
Oh.
Set a course for Metropolis. Let's hope.
How
we're
did
not too
Nefarious
late.
become a robot? He got like killed. Kinda. Yeah. Gotta get that hundo. Gotta get that hundo. Gotta get that hundo, baby. Basically, Quark like threw him in lava, essentially. You got this. Where? Oh. There we go. Don't laugh at me. Don't you dare laugh at me. Oh, I just got distracted in the 2-2 code. I'm pretty sure that's fake. And more importantly, I don't remember it. Oh, TAC, you say it's actually true? I don't remember it though. Okay, there's not down there. Oh, I have to do that again? Damn it. I was trying to see if there was like another one down there. And that. Up, up, down, down, left, right, square circle. Ah, it's not working for me. You have to do it on like the menu screen? Please don't do that, Dashio. Gotta remember that I like to put my stuff on YouTube, so don't try to mess up the playthrough for like one bad joke. I would appreciate it. Or I'll have to turn off something that's fun for a lot of people for your sake. Okay, jump over that. Oh yeah, I did. Oh, I forgot about that one. You're right. I forgot about that one. I didn't get that. I got that one last time too. And I can't do it good. Oh god, I forgot about. Dude, I'm like completely blind. I just keep forgetting that those things like retract. So I actually have to wait for them to come down. Oh my god, almost. Damn it, what takes them so long to come out? I'm trying to speedrun this game. So impatient. Stupidly impatient. There it is. This is the one that I missed. Right there. Alright, we're good. I found the one that I missed. That's the one that I missed. I don't know, monkey plan at the start. He went there because he wanted to go back to his roots, or like wanted to test it out. There we go. And there goes the other one that I missed right there. Thank you so much, Ace. Alright, so that was the other one that I missed. So now it should be fine. We should be good to go now, as long as I get all the other ones that I got before. Don't you fucking dare. Oh my god. I'm gonna shoot a rabbit. Ugh. Stop making fun of me. I can feel your laughter. Your insidious laughter. Alright, we're good now. Should be good now. Alright, can you stop that? Thank you, that'd be fantastic. Thanks, my gosh. Alright, we should be good now. Alright. And then boom, boom. Boom and boom. Sweet. Back. 446 EVs? Why the hell do you have that many EVs? Why in the actual hell do you have that many EVs?
It is I, Dr. Nefarious!
You're there. What about you? Please, don't tell me. You changed your hair.
Both, both. Got him. Well, no, they're just doing it. Yeah, that's what they do. They don't care about IVs and shit. You can change EVs. Well, you can't. Unless you're using like a cheat engine, I guess. But if you're using a cheat engine, can't you just automatically make it shiny? Which is what I would have done. Alright, we're good. You're supposed to have 5. I mean, yeah, 5 to 6, obviously. Ideal. Win all challenges. I think I can win all the challenges now. I think I have all the guns in the game. And what should I order? What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. It is 7 o'clock. What do you mean, the limit before breeding? Yeah, see, I have to do these two. No, just this one. Sleep inducing. Use the rift thing. This is the only one I have to do.
We call this one the sleeper round. The Lombax better
This
be
one's
able to
really hard
hold
to
his
do.
breath.
Really hard.
He sure got it still run that time. Weatherman says,
Then it gets bigger
"Storm's headed your way."
and bigger. And bigger.
Smell that gas? Not much longer now.
And bigger. And bigger. And bigger. Oh my god. Oh, there's another weapon I don't have. The Quackle Ray. Don't have the Quackle Ray. Alright. Wow, D-Rock, I haven't seen you in a long time, dude. Holy shit. Wow. How have you been, dude? Alright. I'm actually going to take a small break. Real quick, just to go to the bathroom and stuff like that. I'm gonna go to the screen just so it's pretty obvious that I'm in the bathroom. I'm gonna play some music for you guys. Where are we going? Right here. And I'll be right back. If you haven't followed the channel, please do. Please do. We stream every day. Well, now it's gonna be 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And all that good jazz. I'll be right back. Gotta use the bathroom and stretch. Yo, 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 yo. What should I order, dude? It's getting late. Oh, man. But we've mostly been playing Evolve. Yeah, I could have swore you were young. Love of your life might be a little... you probably find someone that you really love, though. Love of your life, you gotta, well... Then you gotta wait until the end of your life to say that. And thank you guys so much for all the love on the Twitters. I really do appreciate that. I don't really want Chinese though. Why are you guys always Chinese? No, Kaylin, I'm actually taking a break. I know it's very awkward because I don't take breaks that often. Let's have chocolate mousse. I mean, I could order Chinese. I just feel like Chinese never lives up to it. Fried gobi. If we do finish this game at a reasonable amount of time, I will play Evolve though. I will play if they evolve these. We've dropped some frames, but not too many, though. That's at least good to hear. I do eat on stream sometimes. Like, I'll at least duck down. I don't, like, show myself, like, rom, 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 rom and shit, but sometimes. What the hell is that? If you know what, I'll get Chinese, but I'll order it later. I know my camera isn't on. Just to let people know that I'm not around. Alright, let's get back into the game. I'll eat a little bit later. I will eat a little bit later. How do people use these faces? I need to know. What faces? What are you talking about? Is there any chicken places near you that do fried chicken? Chicken is good no matter what time of day. Well, you can use Grubhub to like to try to see like where like a good spot, but I feel scared to like find some stuff sometimes. Kind of scary. But I'll probably order something later. All right, let's go to the thing. I could probably beat the story in like 2 hours and then like order food probably, or go get food. Well, how are you guys doing? I know it's very rare that I take breaks, but I will be taking more breaks as I go on my strive to be more healthy. Sitting down for like several hours at a time and not taking breaks, especially for someone that works at home, is just not really good. I'm not scared of Grubhub. It's just that Grubhub, you only have a certain amount of options, obviously. There's some places that don't deliver.
It's already started! Dr. Nefarious must be around here somewhere. You sure everything's okay, Clank? Maybe Al should take a look at your circuitry.
How do you like my special creation, Clank? I call him Clunk. Your dopey friend seems to be quite fond of him. Say, Maybe they'll change your show to Secret Agent Clunk. Did you hear that, Lawrence?
You put the wit in twit, sir.
Yes, I do, don't I? Today,
Dear God,
you
dude.
will witness the dawning of a new era. For years, I
The trap
plotted
house. Yes.
suffering endless disappointments. But soon, it will all be worthwhile.
You will never succeed. Ratchet will put an end to your madness.
The only ending in Ratchet's future is the end of his own life. And you will have a front row seat.
That laughing though. You know, if he really wanted to be a dick, he could have like gave me a shitty Clank, because that doesn't actually work. But since the Clank still works, we're still good. All right. No. What the? No. Can you? Oh, where's the bat? No. There we go. All right, we almost got this maxed out. Actually, I'm gonna change my quick select to move all these. About to go. This is already maxed out. Plasma whip's maxed out. Vector, Annihilator, gun, pulsar, blade, this thing, and that Tempest, yeah. Hollow Shield, which I haven't even been using at all. And some of my stronger ones, Hurricane, grapple shot thing, yeah, that's good. There it is. Three ammos for a kill. That's so cute you guys are about to play, Oh. About to play some Showdown. Why am I so stupid? The volcano gun? I don't like maxing out the old school guns because I've already seen them. But that's why I haven't done that really. There we go.
The deadly Gadgetron Tempest can target up to 7 enemies simultaneously.
Nah, 2 shots them really good. That's pretty shitty ammo though. Give me that. His power lever. Gohan, what's up, player? How you doing, man? Alright, let's do this. Another member of the side pool. Everyone's stopping in today. There we go. Alright, let's continue with the mission. Alright, so that's maxed out now. Let's max this out. Wait, what? Okay, going this way. Get out of my face.
It is time,
Here we go. Today is National Visit Cash Day. Probably.
Galaxy. The future I have chosen.
Oh, sorry. Did you say something, sir?
The activation device. Now. Behold the final chapter of this galaxy's destiny. The Age of Robots! You are my robot lover.
What in the fuck?
Lawrence!
Oh, dear. That was your audition for Galactic Idol, wasn't it? My mistake, sir. Dreadfully sorry.
That's so
By
bad.
all means, sir. Carry on.